parts of YEM are the markets and making the products that I sell there.
I love all the guest speakers. They're like so inspiring, and it's like a really great opportunity for me to like think more about my idea. I've taken away the opportunity to like really put my idea out there.
In an article at school, they asked me, they're like, so like, what would you recommend to other young entrepreneurs? And I was like, yeah, you need to do this. It's amazing. So thankful for YEM.
Thank you, YEM.
Thank you, YEM. Thank you so much, YEM, for helping me.